Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is fourth question of its exercise 5.5. So the question says that study the diagram. The line L is perpendicular to line M. A. Is CE equal to EG? So CE is equal to 2 unit. CE is equal to 2 centimeter and EG is also equal to 2 centimeter. So ये दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे. So is C equal to CG? So yes. B. Does P bisect CG? So ये हमारी P bisect CG. So CE and EG इक्वल है, ये हमने अभी देखा था. So ये bisect करेगी. Does PE bisect CG? So yes, because of C equal to EG. Identify any two line segments for which PE is perpendicular bisector. So हो जाएंगे हमारे पास DF and BH. Are the line segments for which P is perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular तो हमें given ही है and DE is equal to EF is equal to 1 unit 1 centimeter. अगर हम इसे सेंटीमीटर लेते हैं तो 1 सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा and BE is equal to EH is equal to 3 centimeter or unit. So हो जाएगा perpendicular bisector and part D is